What is up, y'all? The Mathaholics back at it again. Like I've said in every single video, if you subscribe, once we get to 150 subscribers, we're gonna give away 3 Cane's gift cards. So if you want to get yourself, if you want to have a chance to win some gift cards, all you have to do is subscribe, and you might win that. So without any further ado, this problem right here. Now, as we can see, this fraction and this fraction have a common denominator. So this one over here is the only one that's giving us a hard time. And in order to get that to also have the common denominator, we're going to need to multiply by some stuff. So as you can see, there's already an x in here. And this has an x squared, this is an x. So all I'm going to have to do is multiply this entire fraction by 5x. That was really ugly. I'm sorry. I mean, you still got the point, but I don't know. I'm a bit picky. So if you know me in real life, you know that's true. Plus 3. So that's what we're going to multiply this entire fraction by. Okay. And of course, I hit the stupid pen button. Alright, so all we're doing is multiplying the fraction by 5x plus 3 so that it can have a common denominator. Alright, now let's multiply everything out. So now we have 30x plus 18 over 5x squared plus 3x. Now, if you don't know how I did that, all I did, distribute the 6 to the 5x, that gave me 30x right here. Distribute the 6 to the 3, that gave me 18. Distribute the x to the 5x, gave me 5x squared. The x, and I thought I hit the button again, the x to the 3, and it gave me 3x. So that's exactly what we did. And now, as you can see, by the green, common denominator, and a common denominator. All right, so let's erase that original fraction that wanted to just throw us off. Okay. And we're going to replace it with this new fraction that is equivalent to the one that we just erased. It just has a different denominator. And I hope you know how we did that. If not, there's a few videos online on how to do that. I think I have something similar, but I've definitely explained the process in pretty much every single video I've done. Let's get some more space for ourselves here instead of rewriting everything. Okay. Let's make it all blue. All right, perfect. So now all you have to do next is simplify the right side of the equation. So we're gonna forget about this part right here, and we're just gonna work with the right side. So we have 30x plus 18, and I always like to rewrite the fractions or whatever problem I'm doing. You don't have to, but it's just a habit, and it doesn't hurt. So if you're short on time, then you probably don't want to do this, but whoops, that's all right. So all you have to do now is 30x plus 18 minus 1. That's really, and I guess I didn't have to rewrite the fraction. I mean, you never really have to, but that's just going to give you 30x 18 plus, sorry, 18 minus 1, that just gives you positive 17. And then you keep the denominators the exact same. All right, so now we have a simplified version of the right side of the equation. So I'm going to go up a little bit. You're probably not going to be able to see that real fast, but that's okay because I'm about to bring it back. You know, that is a really slow way of erasing. Bam. Okay, so now we have this fraction right here, this one, is the exact same thing that we just erased. It's just a simplified version. So now it's going to be a lot easier to solve. So now that original fraction on the left side that I said we can just completely ignore, we're going to have to work with now. Unfortunately, right? Just kidding. Wow. Maybe I should hit the lasso select tool before I start drawing. Okay, I just told myself what to do, and I still, there we go. Alright, and as you may or may not recall from the last two videos, I've said the same thing over and over. If you have the exact same denominator, okay, you can completely forget about it and just solve the top of the fractions. So that is exactly what we're going to do. And instead of rewriting it all for you again like I did last time and wasted maybe 30 seconds of your life, I'm just going to delete the denominators. Okay, I guess it's not me that's not clicking on the eraser, it's just the stupid thing. And now we're just going to solve this like a regular equation. So let's do green. So 5 equals 30x plus 17. Let me get rid of those lines too. Subtract 17. That gives you negative 12. Equals 30x. If you divide by 30, divide by 30, you get x is equal to negative 12 over 30, which simplifies down to negative 6 over 15, which you can simplify to negative 2 if it wants to write. Okay, I'm just going to do it down here. So negative 6 over 15 is negative 2 over 5. And that is what x equals x. So forgive me for all the lasso select mistakes that I ended up going like this or like this. But now you know the answer is this right here and how to solve it. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you didn't, leave a comment down below telling me why. Or even if you did enjoy it, leave a comment down below and tell me that you enjoyed or that you learned something. That is all for today. Actually, just probably for like right now. So I'll see you guys.